In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to use a quick Google search to land on Webflow's template library, browse all available designs, dive into a specific template's details, and open a live preview to explore how it looks and feels. Start by opening your browser and searching for Webflow. In the results, click the official Webflow site. This is the fastest way in if you're not already on their homepage. Once you're there, look along the top navigation and find the Templates option. Give that a click. This takes you straight into Webflow's collection of professionally designed templates, which you can use as a foundation for your website. On the Templates landing page, look for the link that says Browse All Website Templates. Select that to see the full catalog. This view is helpful because it removes any pre-applied filters and shows everything in one place. You can scan thumbnails, titles, and quick tags to get a sense of layout styles, industries, and whether a template includes CMS features. Take a moment to notice how each card gives you an at-a-glance idea of the design's vibe before you go deeper. When one catches your eye, open its page by choosing View Details. The Details page is where you get meaningful context. Here, review the description to understand the template's ideal use cases, check the list of included pages, and look for notes on responsiveness, interactions, and CMS or e-commerce compatibility. If you're building a content-heavy site, for example, seeing CMS-ready content types can save hours later. This page often includes screenshots and sometimes video loops that show animations in action, which helps you judge whether the motion design matches your brand tone. When you're ready to experience the layout firsthand, click Preview in Webflow. This opens an interactive preview so you can scroll through pages, test navigation, and observe transitions as a visitor would. Give it a moment to load fully. Then move through multiple sections, check how headings, buttons, and image blocks behave, and pay attention to spacing and readability. Try resizing your browser window to get a feel for how the design responds on different screen widths. The preview is all about confirming the user experience before you commit to building. That's the complete flow. Search for Webflow, navigate to Templates, browse the full library, open a Templates details, and launch a live preview. Use these steps anytime you want to quickly evaluate Webflow templates and make confident, design-forward choices.